somebody who leaned out on the wall. Turn around.
Oh my God.
Alright, so let's go frame by frame.
Yeah, see the motion?
Yeah, that's something stepping out, Josh.
Something stepping out and looks like wearing a coat.
It looks like almost like someone's wearing clothes. And this is a place where we have these big respirators on. The suit gives off a very uniform heat signature.
But here, I mean, we see heat around the leg, around the head, and down into the chest.
This is incredible. This is great. This is a great piece of evidence.
It has been nearly a quarter century since time stood still in the city of Pripyat. The infamous reactor and the abandoned buildings are a silent testament to the dangers of nuclear ambition. But proof be that Pripyat is less vacant than it appears. Our dangerous and unprecedented visit here resulted in strange evidence, backed by professional analysis, that Chernobyl may not only be a radioactive hazard, but a paranormal one as well. We traded in our protective suits for protective sunscreen as we turned our attention to the blistering sands of Egypt. With its archaeological treasures, stunning desert landscapes, and iconic pyramids, it is a dream destination for many people. For me, it is a place with stories of monstrous canine creatures that may be spilling human blood. Welcome to my world. I've been following an outbreak of violent incidents along the River Nile, just west of Luxor near the village of Armand. Witnesses blame these attacks on something they call the Salah.